These are the sparkle glitter sneakers we were sent to review from Dream Pairs. They are so cute, we love them. So let's take a closer look. These are not incredibly sparkly as you might expect from the name. I think it depends on the color that you get. This is the blue hot pink color and they are so cute and a very unique look with this durable KPU upper. It's really interesting. It feels almost like a plastic or a silicone. It's gonna be easy to wipe clean. You've kind of got this glittery fabric going on between those. We got sparkles on the tongue, sparkles in here, so cute. You've also got a bit of sparkle going on back here with the heel tab, which helps kids get them on independently. They are lace up. My girls can put these on independently. The laces help them to get the perfect fit. Nice and flexible. That really cool, unique pattern KPU upper goes the whole way around and all the way across the top. Just a really, really unique shoe look. They are incredibly lightweight thanks to this shock absorbing EVA midsole. The tread is not like a grippy rubber kind of thing. Again, we've got the EVA, which makes it really lightweight, but then it's not super grippy, but grippy enough. Like really, really nice sneakers. Great for school and the playground. We love these from Dream Pairs and we know you will too.